see.
We're gonna like pop in.
We're gonna like jump in.
For about 33 miles, continue straight.
Okay, it's currently 6:21 p.m. and we are an hour away from our campsite. So this is our first time camping. We'll see how it goes.
What's up, chat? You know, we on the way to what's it called? Graveyard Farm? Graves Mountain. We'll see you when we get there. This is wicked.
Okay guys, we made it to Graves Mountain Farm. It's like 7:30. As you can see, it's super dark out. We're here with like a couple other people. It's freezing cold. We have me and Ryan making the fire. Barely see it, it's going. And then we got Jordan, Alicia, and Agus making the tents. Tents are set up. This is how it's looking inside.
Is Violet a minor?
You can say what all you want about Miss Incredible.
8 hours later.
Good morning, everybody. Oh my. It's currently Saturday, the 25th. We woke up, we could finally see the campsite, and it looks way better than it being pitch black. How was your sleep?
It was so good.
Yeah, it was pretty cold in here.
These sleeping bags are rated
40 degrees. Oh,
43?
mine is 40, I think. Oh yeah, you got the colder one. Got the fire going. We're about to make breakfast. How did you guys sleep?
It was pretty good. It was good. It was not bad.
Yeah?
Yeah. The hand warmer saved us.
Yeah. How was your sleep? Okay, he's throwing gang signs up. We're gonna make breakfast and get going on the hike soon.
Wow.
I stayed up till 3 a.m. 2 nights ago to make breakfast for everyone.
Yeah, I have some oil too.
It's in the
But
box.
I know Justin was using it last night with the fire.
Were you? Did you spray it into the fire?
Here to make it go faster.
Oh my gosh.
Got the fire started. About to throw in the breakfast burritos are pre-made. Seconds to a few minutes to warm up. And then we should have breakfast to go to fuel us for our hike. But yeah, it's pretty cold out right now. It's like 35 degrees, 40 degrees.
Don't even show that one on camera though. Hello.
The breakfast burritos that I made last night. This one turned out a bit burnt because I left it on the fire too long. But take a bite. One word review.
One bite, you know the rules.
Not bad.
What kind of sausage?
What are we thinking of the burrito? Is it warm? Some of it is burnt and
still
cold.
Good. It's still good.
Still good.
My
Ryan's changing in the tent. Yes. Let's get a fit rundown.
So it's Ryan. You know, we gonna start from top to bottom. You know, we got the Oakleys, 200 on them. Come on now, Facebook Marketplace. Got the Arcturus, Beta AR, Lil Rack, big bands. Always rep the school. Got them Cavaliers on me. Come Lil $20. Don't worry about it. You know, we got the Adidas Y3, little baggy tracks, keep me warm. Calm Lil 4. And, you know, we got the Merrills, the Moab 3s. It's too wet out here, you know, we got that drip on me, yeah. Let them know.
Fit check.
North Face quarter zip. I have Heat Tech underneath from Uniqlo. My shirt also actually from Uniqlo. Pants are Lululemon. I got them just for this trip. Socks from Justin. I have tights underneath from Lulu as well. And then, imagine I'm putting these on, but these are Merrell's.
Oh, you got the Moabs.
I got the Moabs too. But I'll put this on later.
We're gonna finish packing up. We're running kind of late. I'll catch you guys on the road to the hike. I don't know if you can see anything.
Why?
I think that was the same week. I already went to like 2-3 concerts. I love that song.
Me too. It's so sad though.
Yes.
1 out of how many was that?
We're warming up, right? Hey, good morning. Yeah, we did. How long do you think the 9 mile would take?
It's about 5 hours.
5 hours? Let's do that.
So, alright. Thank you. Have a good rest of your day.
Bro, I'm geographically challenged.
Bro, they're saying this is a strenuous hike, bro.
Strenuous?
What that mean?
Hard. We are now starting to walk White Oak Canyon Trail because we went to Old Rag just up the mountain and then they said it was full for the day, so we had to pivot here. But so far, it looks pretty nice. Ryan got a walking stick.
Yeah.
And then our navigator's all the way back there, jerking it. But we'll just follow the blue paint strips on the trees.
It's been a mile so far.
No. Strapped with the bear spray and the poop shovel.
Don't show it off.
We're prepped for all emergencies.
Is that stick helping?
Oh, kinda. I don't even know. I just picked it up because it looks cool.
It's like level 10.
Apparently the park ranger said we might see bears here. Hopefully we do. That'll be cool. Someone want to go there? It's like, I'm scared there's like bears or something, but what is that? What's that big black thing right there? Is that a backpack? Is that a bear? Is that what is that? Yeesh. Yo, you got it though, dude. What happened? Did you step in water?
No. There's water there?
Yeah, there's like a little like still water.
You jumped into a puddle, bro.
Oh yeah, you good, you good, you good.
You good?
Oh my god. Are you good, Ryan? Yeah. Okay. For laughing at Jordan.
See how I didn't fall because I didn't say anything?
Wow. We're so high up now. This is. Oh my gosh. Straight uphill. This is pretty nice. It's unlucky that we couldn't go to Old Rag, but Ryan did say that in December it's free, so we'll definitely be coming back. This trip so far has been like super fun. Yeah, we'll definitely keep doing stuff like this, especially because we live so close. Just stubbed my toe on a rock. Hello. Oh my gosh, there's more trail up there. Good, how was your walk?
Good. Lunch is good.
You guys come up from this side or?
We were coming down.
Oh, wow. All right, we good? They said we got a lot more to go. Bruh. My camera's been facing the wrong way the whole time. It's pretty though. You look up. So pretty.
We haven't even reached like halfway through the hike.
I don't even think we're halfway there. View is crazy right now.
Jordan, let me know.
How many miles do you think we got left?
I don't know where we're at.
We started this way, right?
Let's low-key get to walking. We should, whenever far we go, we should make sure we're down like before it gets dark. So.
Yeah.
Oh. Like, it's gonna be pretty bad. I'm down to like set up in the dark, but walking down in the dark is like too much.
Almost 2 hours in. We're like not even close to the peak. And we passed a bunch of people who said we got like a couple more miles to go.
Y'all, put me through that, put me through that.
Got a lot more to go, I feel like. I feel like if we don't get to the top by 3, then we just turn around no matter what.
It's a good idea.
Do we have the lunchbox?
Wait, I want to see it.
I guess you got it, right?
Oh, yeah, I do. Thanks, Justin.
Yeah.
Yo, still, please.
It's on your sleeve.
Bro, that's like your boy now, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's your
So we made it to Skyline Drive and we had an option to continue the 9-mile loop or go up to the peak. This peak better be worth it, holy moly. But like, the trees are a lot less scenic than the first part. It's pretty crowded. I saw a lot of people. Yeah, the trees look way different. The peak should be close. Oh wow. There's a ton of people here. Oh wow. This is an insane view. Hawksbill Summit. Hey! So many people up there. I guess we're gonna eat lunch here too. Is this view worth it?
I think so. Yeah.
It's pretty. Let's try to get down there with Jordan. A lot of people up here, but the view is incredible.
What? I gotta text him Vishnu. What did he say?
Keto bread with fat-free cheese, mayo, lettuce, tomato, and turkey breast.
It's really good. Especially the spicy turkey.
Mm-hmm. We could have cut off so much time if we just started at the parking lot that we just got at.
Yeah. But
I
I think in the beginning we didn't have a plan
Mm-hmm.
set in mind.
The only difference in
On the whole stuff.
and then we didn't bring enough water either. We all brought like one water bottle. Yeah, and we didn't bring enough food either. So then we were just like.
The sun's already setting. It's only like 3:20. It's gonna get so cold. Guys, I can't go on this trail.
What does it say?
No horses. Guys, no horses. There's a yellow trail up there. And that one's for horses. But no, we got like plastic forks and stuff, but yeah, I think we're all gonna just share the same pot of rice and curry. Yeah, I'm looking down. I don't twist my ankle. Whoa.
What other colors do you see?
I see green, orange. Whoa. Like yellow, red, brown. Okay, just finished White Oak Canyon hike. That was a lot more difficult than I thought it was. What do you guys think compared to Old Rag?
It was pretty hard. It was pretty similar to Old Rag, I would say, without the rock scramble. But I'm glad we finished.
Yeah, that was pretty difficult, I'd say. But it was a rewarding hike because the view was so good. Yeah, I would do it again, but like not like anytime soon.
Hike was pretty hard. Maybe we'll do it again with more preparation, I guess. Maybe if we went earlier too, that would be nice.
We have an hour drive to Big Meadows, so we'll set up a camp and then film the eats. Grab some branzino from Alicia's mom.
Let's see what he's doing.
Oh no. Is it good?
How many turnovers?
It's pretty good.
They're hard.
Still? I mean, it's supposed to be a little bit chewy.
The background light for real. We got the curry
Yeah.
going. Curry, turkey patty, and rice. Outdoor boy staple. They're pretty good.
It's just no.
Take a bite. What do you think?
Oh, it's really good. It's really tasty.
It's really good. I think it's really good.
7 out of 10.
It's okay for campfire food.
Oh shit, muffle. You trying to say
Ryan's still waiting for his how.
Wait, come back to me, Hui. Maybe like a 6, 7 out of 10.
6, 7.
6, 7. 6, 7.
Can I try Mr. Beast's meat? Mr. Beast's meat stick. Looks like a Slim Jim.
Dude,
It's not bad.
I give it like an 8 out of 10. Like,
Mr. Beast meat? You like this better than Slim Jim?
yeah, definitely.
Gym's at like a 6, dude. So like.
Oh dear Lord. It's late. Everyone's sore and tired. We just hung around the campfire, wrapped up dinner, but I'm gonna wake up early tomorrow and pack up camp.
That's it for now. We'll see you tomorrow.
It's late. We're gonna go to bed. And I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. What time is it? Oh my god, it's 9. Slept for like 10 hours. We're gonna get the tent packed up, get the food cooking, and then we're gonna make our drive back home. Oh, that was good sleep. This wood was so hard to get set up. I think we kept putting too much stuff in and then we kept extinguishing the oxygen in the fire.
Okay, so in this, we use these two.
Yeah.
Probably put the you want to put the vegetables and mix it up real quick in here?
Ryan lit himself on fire getting this working.
Bro, it wasn't even my fault.
You should do it again right afterwards. Damn, cooking on the grill. Breakfast should be done soon, but we need to get the eggs and everything before we gotta leave at 12. Yeah, let me get it. Here's the breakfast for today. Oh yeah. Eat the wrap.
It might be tweaking, but I swear I heard the deer behind my tent.
There's deer,
I mean, to be
there
fair,
was deer poop next to our tent. Right, your turn.
she just took it, bro. She was on the phone, so like, I guess
She said it was fine?
Yeah, she wasn't trying to chop it up. She was telling like, I don't know, something about dinner.
Thank you.
What's up?
Aphorisms.
I just felt like I was in like...
You go like
Stairs. Go like an hour north just to see the sign, just in case it was like a little bit more aesthetic and like bigger. Looking at it now, it looks the exact same as the signs that we saw leaving the park. It's so cool, so cool. It looks pretty big.
I thought we were supposed to go.
I think after all of us get you. I on this side. Oh, you didn't even jump yourself. G, and then you guys jump. I thought all of us get there.
Hey, thank you for coming along and watching our first ever video. We went to Shenandoah National Park with our initial plan of hiking Old Rag, but instead hiked White Oak Canyon and Lower Hawksbill Summit, which was about 5-ish miles. Hiking was a lot of fun, but camping was definitely the highlight of the trip. Just making memories with everyone and having a good time. We all learned a lot since there were a lot of firsts on this trip, but I would 1000% do it again. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the vlog, and maybe I'll get around to doing more videos in the future. Thanks.